Welcome to another deep dive. We're going to be talking about SEO, and specifically how we at Inoriseo approach it to get family law firms the best results.
Okay, sounds good.
So think about it. When someone's going through something as difficult as a divorce or a custody battle,
Yeah.
where do they turn for information?
Probably Google.
Yeah, they Google it, right?
Right.
And your potential clients are doing the exact same thing.
It's funny because a lot of family lawyers, I think, still really rely on referrals, which is great, don't get me wrong.
Sure.
But in this digital age, it's not enough.
Yeah.
People are going online and they're researching their options, they're comparing lawyers, reading reviews, and if your firm isn't showing up in those search results, you're missing out.
Exactly, and that's where Inoriseo comes in.
Yeah.
We live and breathe this stuff, and we've seen firsthand how powerful it can be. But it's not just about getting any traffic to your website.
Right.
It's about attracting the right traffic, the people who are in your area and dealing with the specific family law issues that you specialize in.
Exactly, and I think that starts with understanding how potential clients are using search engines. Like, are they typing in best divorce lawyer in city?
Right.
Or child custody attorney near me. You know, we dive deep into keyword research to figure out what those phrases are because that's what we need to be using online.
Yeah, it's like crafting a legal argument, but for Google.
Exactly.
So we're talking keywords here, and I know they can sound a bit technical to some folks. So can you break it down for us? Why are they so crucial for family law SEO?
So you can think of keywords as like a bridge between what potential clients are searching for and what your website offers.
Okay.
So we take those keywords and we optimize your site with them. And I don't mean just like stuffing them in, but like naturally weaving them into high quality content that genuinely answers people's questions. So this helps Google understand what your site is about and then connect you with the right searches.
So it's not just about having a website. It's about making sure that website is speaking the language of Google and, I guess even more importantly, the language of someone who needs your services.
Right. And, you know, taking it one step further, we also focus on local SEO for family law firms.
Yeah.
This means making sure that your Google My Business profile is completely accurate and optimized so that you pop up in those near me searches.
So even if someone isn't specifically typing in near me, that hyper-local focus is still really important.
Absolutely. I think it's essential. Like, you know, people who are going through family legal issues, they're often feeling very vulnerable and overwhelmed, and they want someone that they can trust, someone that they think understands their community and legal landscape.
Totally.
So that sense of proximity can be very reassuring.
That makes a lot of sense.
Yeah.
So we talked keywords, we talked local SEO.
Yeah.
What about those online endorsements? How do backlinks play into all of this?
Backlinks are crucial, I think, for building your authority and credibility online.
Okay.
Think of it kind of like citations in a legal brief. The more reputable sources that cite your website, the stronger your argument is going to be and the stronger your online authority becomes.
So getting links from other respected legal websites or directories or even media outlets can significantly boost a family law firm's ranking in Google's eyes.
Exactly. It's a signal to Google that your site is trustworthy and it's also valuable, and it can also help drive referral traffic from those other sites.
Wow, this is really fascinating. I'm realizing SEO for family law firms is a lot more nuanced than I think a lot of people would think.
Oh, for sure. It's definitely not just like ticking boxes, you know? You really have to craft a comprehensive strategy that addresses the challenges and the opportunities of this very specific area of law.
And I think one of the most interesting aspects of it is the emotional component.
Yeah.
It's not just like selling shoes or something online. We're talking about people going through an incredibly stressful and uncertain time in their lives.
You're totally right. You hit the nail on the head. You know, building trust and credibility is so vital, and we need to make sure that you're not just visible online, but that you also are conveying that sense of empathy and expertise and reliability.
It's not just about getting to the top of Google, but making sure that when someone clicks on your site, they really feel like they found the right lawyer to guide them through this difficult time.
That's the goal.
Yeah, that's the ultimate goal.
That's it. Yeah, and that's why at Inoriseo, we really go beyond just the technical aspects of SEO. We look at the big picture, the human element, because ultimately SEO is about connecting with people and understanding their needs and building that trust.
It really strikes me how different this is from selling shoes online or something like that.
Totally.
The stakes are so much higher.
Right.
The emotions are raw.
Absolutely. It's a completely different ballgame.
Wow.
You know, when someone is looking for a family lawyer, they're not just looking for a product or a service. They're looking for someone to guide them through one of the most difficult and emotionally charged experiences of their lives.
Absolutely. And that brings us to online reputation management, which is something we haven't touched on yet.
Yeah.
I imagine that's especially crucial for family lawyers, given just how sensitive, the work is.
You're totally right. Online reviews can make or break a family law firm.
Yeah.
Think about it. If you were going through a divorce, would you choose a lawyer with a bunch of negative reviews?
No way. I'd be running for the hills.
Exactly. So at Inoriseo, we help family lawyers manage their online reputation and ensure that potential clients are seeing the best possible reflection of their firm.
Okay, so how do you do that?
It's a multi-pronged approach. So first, we encourage our clients to be proactive about getting positive reviews from satisfied clients. And we even provide them with resources and guidance on how to do that ethically and effectively.
So it's not just getting the good reviews, it's making sure that the process of getting them is done right.
Exactly. And then we also monitor their online presence very closely. So we keep an eye out for any negative reviews or mentions. And if something negative does come up, we have strategies in place for addressing it head on in a professional and empathetic way.
Okay, so it's not about trying to erase negative feedback entirely, which is probably impossible anyway.
Right.
But it's more about responding in a thoughtful and transparent way.
Exactly. And sometimes a well-crafted response to a negative review can actually strengthen a firm's reputation. It shows that they take feedback seriously and that they care about their clients' experiences.
That makes a lot of sense. Now, I know you've got some amazing case studies up your sleeve of how Inoriseo has helped family law firms achieve real success through SEO. So can you share one with us?
Yeah, absolutely. So we worked with this firm in the city that was struggling to attract new clients. They were doing great work, but their website was buried in the search results, and they were relying too heavily on word-of-mouth referrals.
So they were kind of a hidden gem. Doing great work, but not getting the visibility.
Right. So we started by doing a deep dive into their online presence, identifying their target audience, and researching the keywords potential clients were using. And what we found was that many people were searching for very specific terms like, city lawyer for father's rights or city attorney specializing in prenuptial agreements.
Wow, so you were really getting into the nitty-gritty there.
Exactly. And that level of specificity is key.
Yeah.
And so we optimized their website content with those targeted keywords, and we created new pages that addressed those specific legal issues in detail. We revamped their Google My Business profile, highlighting those practice areas and making sure their contact information was front and center.
So you were making it super easy for the right people to find them.
Exactly. And did we work on their backlink profile? Yes, we did.
Okay, cool.
We secured links from reputable legal directories, local news sites, even parenting blogs. And to bolster their reputation and build that trust, we encourage them to select client reviews and showcase those testimonials on their website.
So you really hit all angles there. Keywords, local SEO backlinks, reputation management.
Exactly.
What kind of impact did this have on their business?
The results were really impressive.
Okay.
Within 6 months, their website was ranking on the first page of Google for those highly targeted keywords.
Wow.
Their website traffic tripled.
Wow.
And most importantly, they saw a significant increase in new client inquiries.
That's amazing.
They even had to hire another associate to handle the influx of cases.
That's the kind of growth that, any firm would dream of.
Absolutely. And it's really a testament to the power of a well-executed SEO strategy, tailored specifically to family law.
I love it. Okay. I need to hear another success story.
Okay.
Lay it on me.
Okay, so let's talk about a firm we worked with that specialized in collaborative divorce. So they were already well established, but they wanted to attract more clients who were specifically interested in this less adversarial approach to divorce.
Interesting. So it wasn't so much about building awareness from scratch, but more about targeting a very specific niche.
Exactly. They were experts in collaborative divorce, but their website wasn't reflecting that expertise in a way that really resonated with potential clients.
I see.
So we helped them develop a content strategy that focused on educating potential clients about the benefits of collaborative divorce.
Okay.
We created blog posts, articles, even videos that explain the process in detail and really highlighted their deep understanding of this area.
So you were positioning them as thought leaders in the field of collaborative divorce.
Exactly. And not just another family law firm, right?
Yeah, totally. What kind of keywords were you targeting for them?
So we went beyond the more general keywords like divorce lawyer, and we focused on terms like collaborative divorce city, peaceful divorce solutions, and even mediation for high net worth couples.
So you were getting very granular with the keywords there.
Speaking directly to that niche. And that's where the magic happens, when you can connect with people on that level of specificity, addressing those unique concerns and offering solutions that resonate with their values.
Yeah, absolutely. So beyond the content and the keywords, what other strategies did you use to boost their online presence?
So we made sure that their Google My Business profile very prominently featured their collaborative divorce services.
Yeah.
We also secured backlinks from websites that discussed alternative dispute resolution, mediation, family therapy. We even reached out to local journalists who were writing about the rising trend of collaborative divorce.
Wow.
Positioning this firm as experts who could provide valuable insights.
So you were really weaving their SEO strategy together with like a broader PR effort as well.
Exactly, creating a holistic approach that aligns with their business goals and target audience.
Love it. What kind of results did they see after implementing all of these changes? Did it actually translate into more clients who were specifically interested in collaborative divorce?
Absolutely.
Okay, great.
Their website traffic from people searching for collaborative divorce increased by over 200%.
Wow.
And more importantly, they saw a significant jump in consultations and case signups from clients who were specifically interested in this more amicable and solution-focused approach.
Incredible. It really shows the power of niching down and using SEO to attract that ideal client, not just any client.
Exactly. It's a perfect example of how a well-crafted SEO strategy can not only boost visibility, but it can also help shape a firm's reputation and attract clients who are aligned with their values and their approach to practicing law.
I love these case studies. They're so inspiring.
Yeah.
They really paint a picture of how SEO can be such a game changer for firms
Yeah.
of all sizes. And I'm kind of curious, how can smaller firms or solo practitioners really leverage SEO, especially if they have more limited resources?
That's a great question, and one that we hear pretty often. And the good news is SEO doesn't have to be this massive undertaking, even for a small firm.
Okay.
We believe that every family law firm, regardless of size, deserves to have a strong online presence. So we work closely with smaller firms to develop a strategy that fits their budget and their goals.
So it's not a one-size-fits-all approach. You're really customizing it.
Exactly. And for smaller firms, we often start by focusing on the fundamentals. So optimizing their website with targeted keywords, claiming and optimizing their Google My Business profile, and building high-quality backlinks from local directories and legal websites.
So laying that strong foundation, even if it's on a smaller scale, can still make a big difference.
Exactly. And we also encourage smaller firms to leverage the power of content marketing.
Yeah.
Even if they can't afford to publish new blog posts every week, they can still create a few really valuable pieces of content that address those common questions and concerns that potential clients might have.
It's about quality over quantity.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And we always emphasize the importance of client reviews, because for smaller firms, positive reviews can be even more crucial, as they can really help build that credibility and trust.
I imagine those reviews can be like gold for a solo practitioner just starting out.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So we encourage our smaller firm clients to actively solicit those reviews from satisfied clients and showcase them on their website and their social media.
Awesome. So it's not just about doing the great work. It's about making sure that the world knows about it.
Right.
Sharing those positive experiences.
Exactly.
And for those smaller firms who maybe don't have the time or the resources to manage their own SEO,
Right.
do you have any solutions for them?
Yeah, we offer affordable packages that provide ongoing support and guidance.
That's fantastic. It sounds like you're really committed to making SEO accessible to family law firms of all sizes.
Absolutely. We believe that every family lawyer should have the opportunity to connect with clients who need their services. And SEO is a really powerful tool that can help make that happen.
I love that this has been such an insightful conversation.
Yeah.
I think we covered so much ground today.
We did.
From the technical aspects of keywords and backlinks to, those more nuanced elements of reputation management and building trust online. But I think most importantly, we've highlighted why SEO is so crucial for family lawyers in this day and age.
Yeah.
It's not just about getting more clients. It's about connecting with the right client.
Oh, no.
The ones who are really seeking your guidance and expertise.
Well said. And if you're a family lawyer and you're ready to take your online presence to the next level,
Yes.
we're here to help reach out to Inoriseo, and let's see how we can craft that tailored SEO strategy for you.
Absolutely. And remember, in the world of family law, your online presence is more than just a website. It's a reflection of your values, your expertise, and your commitment to helping families navigate those really challenging transitions in life.
Well said.
I think a lot of people think SEO is like this magic trick.
Oh,
You
yeah.
sprinkle in a few keywords and poof, you're at the top of Google.
Right.
But as we've been talking about, it's so much more than that, especially for family lawyers.
It is.
It's a long-term strategy.
Mm-hmm.
It takes work.
It does. It's not a set it and forget it kind of thing. The digital landscape is constantly evolving.
Yeah.
So are the ways that people search for information, what worked a year ago might not work today. So it's so crucial to stay informed and adapt.
So for our listener who's maybe feeling a bit overwhelmed by all of this,
Yeah.
what's one piece of advice you'd give them to get started with family law SEO?
I would say start by putting yourself in your ideal client's shoes. Think about what they're going through, what questions are they asking, what anxieties are they grappling with, and then make sure that your website speaks directly to those needs.
So it's really about empathy.
Yeah.
Understanding the emotional state of someone who's searching for a family lawyer.
Totally.
It's not just keywords and algorithm.
It's a human being who's going through a really difficult time.
Exactly.
And once you have that understanding, you can start to kind of build your SEO strategy around it.
Okay.
So choose keywords that reflect their specific needs and concerns. Craft content that provides genuine value and guidance. And make sure your website is easy to navigate and your contact info is easy to find.
So make the whole experience online as clear and reassuring and helpful as possible.
Exactly. Be that guiding light for someone who's feeling lost.
I love that. And don't underestimate the power of building relationships with other professionals in your community as well.
Oh, that's so important.
Like therapists, mediators, financial advisors.
Yeah.
Anyone who might be working with people going through these family transitions.
Yeah, they can be a really valuable source of referrals, both online and offline.
So it's about being part of a larger support system.
Exactly.
Recognizing that, you're not just a lawyer, but you're part of a network.
A community.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Of professionals who are all there to help.
That's what makes family law so unique. It's not just about legal expertise, it's about compassion, understanding community.
This has been an amazing deep dive into the world of family law SEO.
It has.
We've covered so much from the technical stuff like keywords and backlinks to the more, human elements of it all. It's like building trust and managing your reputation online.
It's a lot.
It is.
Yeah.
But I think we've really highlighted why SEO is so important for family lawyers today. It's not about just getting clients. It's about connecting with the right clients.
Right. The ones that are a good fit for you.
Exactly. The ones who are looking for you and what you offer.
Absolutely.
Well, if you're a family lawyer and you're ready to take your online presence to the next level, you know who to call.
You know who to call Inoriseo.
That's right. Reach out. Let's see how we can help.
We'd love to chat.
And remember, in the world of family law, your online presence is more than just a website.
So much more.
It's a reflection of your values, your expertise, and your commitment to helping families through some of the toughest times in their lives.
Couldn't have said it better myself.
Thanks for joining us on The Deep Dive.